Hi, in the last video we have studied about advanced customizations and development. Today in this video we will study about extending Liferay functionality with the plugins. In Liferay, plugins are utilized to extend the functionality of the platform, enabling developers to seamlessly integrate custom features and enhancement tailored to specific organizations' needs, thereby enhancing overall user experience platform versatility. So, firstly, we discuss agenda. Agenda of this video is to the Liferay plugins. Firstly, we will see introductions of Liferay plugins, and moving forward, we will shift our focus to the extending Liferay plugins, and then we will shift our focus to the plugins development process. So now I'm going to talk about introductions of Liferay plugins. In Liferay plugins, a modular software component that extend the functionality of the Liferay platform. Plugins allow developer to the customizations and enhance various aspects of the Liferay portal without directly modifying the core code base. Liferay plugin seamlessly integrate with the Liferay digital experience platform, enhancing its capability and allowing organizations and tolerate their digital experience precisely. Liferay plugins enrich platform functionality, enable organizations to the customizations, extend their digital experience with the ease. Liferay plugins are a developer for various purposes, including content management, enable organizations to tailor their Liferay digital experience platform to specific need and workflow. This flexibility ensures that users can seamlessly integrate additional functionality to enhance their digital experience. Liferay plugins are managed through the platform intuitive interface, simplifying the process of installations, configurations, and maintenance. So now we discuss extending Liferay plugins. Versatility plugins enhance Liferay by offering a wide range to the customizable functionality, empowering users to adapt to the platform, suit a diverse business needs and requirements effectively. Expanding features and customizations through plugins enhance Liferay capabilities, allowing users and tolerate platform their unique needs and preferences. Plugins facilitate some seamlessly integrate with the code changes, simplifying the process of the extending Liferay functionality and customizations while maintaining compatibility with the future update. Plugins promote a flexibility and stability with the Liferay, allowing users to easily adapt and expand the platform capability according to the evolving business requirements. Plugins for Liferay are designed to adherence to compatibility framework, guaranteeing seamlessly integrate with the existing system and future updates. So now I am going to talk about plugins development process. Plugin development process for Liferay involves a structured process consisting of ideations, development, testing, development, and maintenance. First, we talk about ideations and planning. This stage involves the brainstorming and outlining the goals and requirements of the plugins, ensuring alignment with the organization's objectives. Next is development. The development stage encompasses the actual coding and implementation of the plugins based on defining specifics, leveraging programming language such as a Java or JavaScript. And next point is testing. Testing involves rigorously quality ensure process to identify and address by any bugs or issue before development, ensuring optimal functionality and user experience. Next is development. Development involves releasing the plugins to the production environment, making it available for use and users within the library platform. Next is and maintenance. Maintenance include ongoing support updates and improvement to the plugins to address any issue, enhance performance, and adapt to changing requirements over time. So now we discuss about how to add a plugin. So alright, so let's dive into the process of adding plugins through the Liferay marketplace. First we open web browser. So just I click open this and navigate this URL marketplace.liferay.com/home, and after go to the Liferay accounts, the login credentials. So I have already login into the Liferay accounts. So if you want to add a plugins, so first we need to login into the Liferay accounts. So I have already this. So if you don't have any account yet, so you will need to register for one. So now we can search bar browser and the categories, these categories for the you want to add or Liferay instance plugins. So we will filter from here. First we talk about the filter, how to filter this. So you need to Liferay versions, select 7.4 and select editions. So I have editions of EE, enterprise editions. You want to add categories to which you want to add Liferay plugins. So from you can select this any categories and select these bundles from this. So I want to just add Liferay plugins Google Drive. So I just Google search the Drive from search bar and search. You can this click here. We have to determine these community editions, the bundles, the Google Drives for plugins for Liferay integrate with Liferay version 7.4, 7.3, 7.2. So next you can see how to this work. You can add this Google Drive for the documentations and document and media, and you can import export from document Google Drive, Google Doc. It's not available now for Liferay 7.4, so you can add these plugins and use this Google Drive. Add this. You can edit the documents from edit Google Doc, and you want to add this photo contact this, click here, and you can, if you want to add this Google Drive on liferay.inc for the competitive versions, and you have any versions for the adding Liferay. If you are looking free plugins and simply choose the free from the price filter, ensure that you have only plugins at no cost will the display in such results. So you can apply the filters. Liferay Marketplace will present us with the curated list on plugins that match our criteria. So to install the plugins, you can get a this not we are not gonna put it to install. So now you can install from here Marketplace. So you that how you locate add plugins from the Liferay Marketplace. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.